Hey everyone, we're down here at Lakes Boulevard at Forest Lake for dragon boat racing, part of the Dragon Boat Festival. So here's our team. There's a few more still to come. It's Forest Lake Runners team. The rest of the team, this is where we set up. We're set up by the amphitheatre and we have to race from over sort of here somewhere over to the stage area. So we've had our briefing now, we know what we're doing. So there's a few of the guys are going to row the boat or paddle the boat over to the stage area where the ceremony is going to take place, and the rest of us are going to be walking around the side, so around this walkway over here. You can see it around the lake. We've got our banner saying Forest Lake Runners, we've got our flag. Then we come back here and our first race is at 10 o'clock today.
It's all very professional.
Oh, very professional. Although they did tell us it's a good laugh. You just got to have a laugh. So it's like it's a celebration. It's not a serious, somber event. So.
It's freezing.
It's cold.
Absolutely
it's cold.
freezing.
Okay, lady walking through. The dog has got a good round of applause. We're all lining up now. We're next to St John's Anglican College, or behind them in the parade. So we're all lining up for the parade over to the stage for the ceremony. Hi, Linda. Okay, so here are guys. They're paddling over to the stage for the ceremony. I'll try and zoom in on this later, but they're on this side. They're number 2 boat on this side. I'm not sure whether that's the one we'll actually be using. Here's our team. Again, getting warmed up. Well, not warmed up, getting ready for the parade. And our own marquee down at the amphitheatre at the Lakes precinct. Okay, here we are. The parade is off. We're walking down the boardwalk now towards the stage area. So there are guys in number 2 boat. This is the stage area at the precinct. Oh, we've got her drumming on the front of our boat.
Let's go, everyone!
Let's go! Okay.
Here we go.
Stop stealing them! You will see them battling out on water, and we hope you support and yell and cheer for the loudest. Here, the Forest Lake Runners! The team manager owns the Cafe Bliss over there, so if you could patronage and support them would be great. Their first one. So go Forest Lake, it's their first event and they reckon they're going to take the crown today.
This is the eye dotting ceremony. So in this ceremony, what's going on here is they are dotting the eye on the dragons at the front of the boat to awaken the dragon, ready for the races.
Let's show the Lord Mayor our way. Starting already. Go!
These are the dragon boats. See the dragons on the front and the back. There you go. Take the boats back over to the start line.
We've got to do something at some stage about the boarding.
in order to get us ready for the races, our coach took us through some warm-up exercises.
8, 9, 10. Pick it up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Swap side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it down, we tried it. Come on.
Okay, it's our turn. We are heading off down to the boat to load up on the boat now for our race. Wish us luck, everybody.
Who's the back row? Back row.
Okay, here we are. We're getting in
Back row first.
our boat, number 3.
Vaughn, Allison, you guys in the back. Come on.
Yeah, we all got a paddle.
Come on.
Yep.
Who's behind Nada? Come on.
Oh, we're going back first.
Okay, we are all getting on the boat now. Just getting our last people on the boat.
They are in position to start, I think. And as you can see there, the boat has the number 3 on it from the last race. And they're off.
Well, that was our first race over. There was a bit of confusion at the beginning, and we lost a bit of ground at the beginning to the Queensland Police Service, but we managed to catch that up, and I think we possibly finished second at the end of that one. Hopefully we finished second.
Next race is 12 o'clock.
Next race is 12 o'clock. Just heard it.
Here, no later than 11:15.
There we go. So to get ready for the next race.
Not sure about when they're starting.
Yep, so there we go. So that's our next one. We've got 3 races, and then the top 2 from all the 3 races, based on points, go through to the finals. So we're still in with a chance. So we've got a few people come down to join us, come to cheer us on. Here's our team. And we've got some people come to join us. Hey! It's Erica. Hello, Erica. And Mel Bell's come down as well. Mario, he's part of the team anyway, so. And Cherry's come down to see us over here with Abby. Now here we've got one of our fans. FLR. Forest Lake Runners. Everybody's gearing up in anticipation of our next second race. We really want to take this one out. Okay, here we go. We're on for race 2. Okay, end of the second race. We just managed to take that one out. So first place should guarantee us a place in the final. Gee, that was I think we were falling behind a little bit, and then we just powered up and and managed it. There can't have been a lot in it. There cannot have been a lot in it right at the end. But anyway, that's so second place in the first race, first place in the second race. One more race to go, which okay, obviously we'll go for a first, and that'll set us up for the final. So a bit of a rest now. I think we've got about half an hour before our final preliminary race.
Oh my god, you're so much fun. Thank you.
Okay, not much of a rest between the second and the third race, so we're off now for the third race. I believe that we don't actually need to win it, but it would be good to. Now loading up the boat.
Okay, so get out everyone. You gotta help me.
Race 3.
Otherwise, we're going to kick him out. Well, so much water out, guys. Hey?
On those.
Okay, didn't do too good on that one. I think we came third. Might have just sneaked in a second. I'm not sure how our position in the final is. I guess we'll find out before too long. Debrief time. So we didn't do too good in the third race. I don't know whether we are in the final or not. It's hard waiting. I was just said, it's like this must be what the athletes at the Olympics feel like, waiting to see what the results are. So that was the last race. Now they'll add all the scores up and we will find out. Now we think we know 2 of them, possibly 3 of the teams that will be in it, and we're hoping that we'll be the 4th. So we've just heard that we've made it through to the final. Look, I don't know what I videoed there, but we've just heard that we made it through to the final. So it was a pretty somber mood, and that's just changed, immediately changed. We're in the final, so all out for it now.
Woohoo! In the final! Let's do it, guys.
Yes. All right, our turn, guys. Final time. Here we go.
Okay.
Okay, we've finished the 4th race. We're not actually sure where we've come. It was, we thought we were 4th. There is rumour that we came 3rd, but it was very close. So we're off to stage and we'll find out just exactly where we came in that race. Whew. Here comes the team walking up to the stage.
Winners in our own right, anyway.
There's a team, we're waiting to go up and get our medals.
To be honest.
It turned out we did get third place after all.
Trim, good looking I may say too. They do running around Forest Lake here. Their manager also owns Cafe Bliss. So please provide them the patronage and thank you for taking part in the Happy Community event this year. I'll give you guys one more season and I reckon you'll be at the top. Dragon boat requires cardio fitness, both on and off water team. We don't just sit in the boat and start paddling. Doesn't matter what sports you come from, you jump in the boat, you will feel the burn. The guys tend to arm it because they muscle it, we call it. It doesn't work. Little me weighs 50 something and I can actually steer over 200 plus each person, almost a ton. So for me to be able to do that is not just skill but also fitness. So I'm close to 50. So if I can stay young and fit in doing Dragon Boat for over 10 years, we invite most of you to join us. As long as you move your body, you will stay young. Okay? Like a car, keep your body maintained. Well done, Forest Lake Runners! They've got the looks, they just need a bit of skill and I reckon they'll be at the top. They've got a few eye candy. We need you to come to Brisbane Typhoon.
Well, there we go. We got third place. So proud. Here's the medal. Team's done absolutely brilliantly. We will be back next year, definitely, without a doubt.